Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to see your favourites on Roblox desktop. So this can be done on a PC or laptop as long as it's the desktop version of Roblox. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So what we need to do first is open up a new browser and come to roblox.com. And then from here, if you're not already, you just want to go ahead and log into your account. And when you're actually on the home screen, the dashboard, it's actually very easy. If you scroll down the page slightly, you'll see there's a section here which says favorites, which is where all your favorited bits are. So what you can do is going to show a couple here, but if you want to see all of your favorites, you just need to click here where it says see all next to the favorites tab. And then what that's going to do is actually load up the entire favorites section. I've only added a couple in this one, just as this is an example account. But yeah, that's how you do it. So I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.